Hi friends! Welcome to this new tutorial that will help you in your journey to become the ultimate productivity champion. Jokes aside, today we will design a script to automatically create Outlook email backup using VBA. So, assuming that you are a frequent Outlook user, you would like to clean your email records frequently, find an automated way to delete what's useless and record the rest, be able to read some emails without Outlook, perform analysis on a large number of emails using NLP, sentiment analysis, keywords frequency, and blah. And finally, you want to build your own secure database of emails in case of a crash of your hard drive or if you need to change your computer. After this video, you'll be able to create a great tool. It will be written using VBA, with modules that will connect to Outlook to extract information from email, store them in Excel files, export the email in HTML format so you can open them without Outlook, and finally download the attachments. The workflow is very simple. You copy all the messages in your Outlook mailbox. You open Excel file and you run the VBA script that will copy and paste the subject, body, and all the information of your email in an Excel spreadsheet. Export the email to HTML format and save it locally. And finally save all the attachments in a dedicated folder. Now that we know what we want, let's build the tool. First, you need to prepare your Excel for creating and running VBA scripts. Go to Option tab, select More Command, Add In, and then you select the Analysis Tool Pack. Now you're ready to create your macro. For this, you go on the View tab, you select Macros, and then you click on View Macros. And now you are ready to code. So now we can start to write some code. So the source code is available in the link you can find in the description. Let's start by creating the variables you'll need. Among them, you'll have the path to the folder where you stored your email files, the .msg. And then you have the folder where you want to export your email in the HTML format. You can now start the loop through all the emails to extract the information, download the attachments, and export the email to HTML format. So we are going to use a while loop that will run until all the files have been processed. At each step of the loop, you extract information from the email, process this information, and store it in an Excel file. At this stage, you are storing all the information of your emails in these variables: sender information, sender email, body of the message, subject, and even receiving time. And now you can paste them in your Excel spreadsheet and start to save all attachments in local folders. You first check that you have attachments in the email. So if the count is higher than 0, you loop through all attachments. If the attachment is not an image, you save it locally. And then it saves the message in HTML format. Note that I have added the variable ID in the file name. For me, it's a way to find and to link it to an email if I want to find them later. When you have finished the processing, you can reinitialize the variable storing the message and close the loop. After the loop, you can terminate the procedure. Note that the variable application.screenUpdating is used to avoid updating the Excel during the processing. It's a way for you to gain in speed. So to conclude, now you have the tool to extract information from your emails, store them in Excel files, and export them in HTML format, and even save the attachments. You can now create your own database of emails, using the Excel file or exporting to Access or even an SQL database. You can perform analysis using NLP, for instance, sentiment analysis or graph analysis, who is sending emails to who, etc. And you can build automation tool using data sourced from emails. For instance, if you receive an Excel file from a customer, it's like an invoice, you can open the email, extract the information from the body, and process the Excel to finally input the data in your ERP. So all task or interaction that is using Outlook can be automated. I hope this video gave you enough insights I would say, on how to use VBA to create your database of emails. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comment section.